Chris with DroneNerds here at Elevate UAV 2025, showing off our booth and our wide variety of drone options. Depending on what your industry is or what your needs are, we got loads to help you, and this is just at our table. Everything that you see at this event, come to us. We're happy to help you out. First and foremost, I'd like to show off the M400 from DJI. This is our big unit, multi-use. You got LiDAR, high-definition cameras. Basically, any industry you're in, if you're already familiar with the M300 series, this is the latest and greatest version. Next up right here, one of our top blue UAS options, the Wingtra Ray. This one's going to be a vertical takeoff and landing system. Basically, just shoots right up in the air and then it glides. Allows it a little bit of a longer flight time and a wide variety of different payload options. An awesome unit. If you can't use DJI because it's from China, you need something based here in the US, Wingtra's a great way to go. Moving on down, we got some payloads over here that work with the M400. This right here is one of our underwater ROV units. This one's just a simple imager, but we also have some other options that can do cool stuff such as sediment collection. We got a claw, sonar. If you're doing underwater operations, a great option to have. Coming on down, we got ACSL. This is another great modular option out of Japan. Like I said, if you can't go with DJI, this one actually has swappable payloads. So whether you need imaging, thermal, multispectral, these are great guys to go with. This is the Matrice 4. This is a great smaller unit. So if you don't need different payloads, this is basically your go-to unit. You can do imaging, you can get a thermal one, whatever you need. Everybody's already familiar with this one. It's a great one. Right here, we got the latest Parrot UKR. This one is developed off of the initial Parrot Anafi. This is upgraded in every way, better obstacle detection, better thermal, better performance in the sky, upgraded features, just all around better unit. If you're in the public safety sphere, this is probably going to be your go-to drone and great option to have, and you can come to us to get it. Next up, we got the FreeFly Astro. This is a simple quadcopter based here in the US, another blue UAS option. Loads of different payload options available. This one right here is a Sony high-definition imagery for mapping, inspection, survey. And then finally on our line right here, we've got the Ascent Aerosystems Spirit. This is a very unique design. Got modular design where you can actually mount to the payload on the bottom or the top. You got high-definition imagery, thermal options. So, for example, if you're under a complex structure, you want to be shooting upwards, the payload right here. And it's got a, pretty decent flight time, just upwards of 30 minutes. So depending on what you need it to do, this is a great option and Blue UAS certified as well. So that's just a small sampling of what we got here. There's loads else to check out here at Elevate UAV. And this is Chris, happy to help you out if you need it.